What's going on, guys? It's Sutek. It's Hard Fork Eve, July 31st, and I wanted to share this short video with you about people who say BitConnect is a scam, or these programs that claim Autobots or trading bots are scams. As an investor, I already know that, first of all, trading bots exist, and Autobots exist and are used heavily, especially with the big fund portfolio managers. But I just wanted to share this headline, this cover story. Robo 2.0, the next evolution. Computer managed portfolios or robo advisors are adding a human touch that should produce better results for investors. So this headline and this story is all about robo trading and automatic robobots trading for profit. That's what this entire story is about. So this is a reputable newspaper that I've been getting for years because I'm an investor. I mean, that's what I do mainly for income. And I mean, that's part of the proof that people are complaining about, that they need, is that they need to know that these bots exist. Well, they do exist. And this headline is just telling you about it. And many people who have been investing for a long time, like me and others, they know about that. But people who are brand new to the crypto world are not privy to this type of information. And so naturally they question the authenticity of these programs and the idea of bots even existed, which is fine, that's okay. But a lot of people on Steemit and elsewhere are pretty much just downvoting, flagging people for promoting BitConnect, control finance, and it's not really fair. So here's a little timeline. The first wealth management robot, 2010. Look at 2014. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, Vanguard, all the big portfolio managers and brokers, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, are using robots. All of these companies are using robots. So if BitConnect and Control Finance use robots, I don't understand what the problem is. What's going on, guys? So I just want to piggyback off of the previous video where I showed my Barron's newspaper. And I spoke about the Autobots and how big companies, TD Ameritrade, Scottrade, Schwab, and all of these big brokerages use trading bots and trading bot technology. And cryptocurrency is even better because there are no regulations right now on cryptocurrency. So with stock trading, once you sell off your shares, you have to wait 3 days to get the money. The FTC makes that mandatory, so you have to wait 3 business days, not 3 days, 3 business days for your sales to clear. So with cryptocurrency, you don't have any of that waiting. You don't have any of those regulations. So everything can take place much faster. And that does leave the market open to manipulation, but like I said, everything just works faster. So you can make profits much faster. So here's my update for my control finance. Now, Segwit is tomorrow, August 1st. So BitConnect right now is not trading. The exchanges are not working, so they're down. So I actually extracted my money, some of my daily interest, and I put it in Gemini. And I'm letting Bitcoin sit in Gemini. And I'm going to ride it on the way up tomorrow or this week. And I'm just going to let those capital gains take hold, sell off, and then I'm going to invest that back into Control Finance or BitConnect. And here are my referrals up until now. 162 referrals, 7 active referrals. I've had people email me, ask me questions about how do they actually deposit money, and how do they get Bitcoin in their country. Because I have people signed up under me from all around the world: Africa, Asia, South America, Europe. Every single continent has people signed up under me. So those people contact me to ask me how can they sign up in their country. I show them how. You know, I don't know how to sign up in every country because I'm not in every country. I'm in the U.S. So, but I do my research. I try to find the best way, and then I send them the link and the instruction on how to do that. But Control Finance is doing great. 1535. Total earnings $167. So I already made my money back, more than my initial deposit, and shows how much I withdrew. $139. That's to my Gemini account. So, folks, I mean, the facts and the results speak for themselves. Let me just show you some of my transactions. Okay, $116.60. $19 earnings today. $69 received on exchange from Perfect Money. $18 daily deposit and earning. $17 daily earning. Another $17 daily earning. So this is every day, folks. Every day is coming in. There's really no reason to wait. I mean, technically, if you want to be really safe, you wait until maybe August 2nd, after everything is settled down a bit. I don't think everything's going to be completely settled down, but everything will be a lot more stable come August 2nd, once Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin have officially become two different Bitcoin currencies. And then you can opt whether you want to use Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash. Probably everybody's going to remain in Bitcoin. That's what I suspect. Despite the higher bandwidth of Bitcoin Cash, supposedly the bandwidth is going to be 8 megabytes per block, whereas Bitcoin is 2 megabytes per block. But even though Bitcoin will be a bit slower, it seems that people are going to remain with Bitcoin because I guess the historical factor or legacy factor is just the brand is known and it's been well established, and everything else has to kind of build up their own brand. Bitcoin Cash will have to build up its own brand. So Bitcoin is the king of the hill and probably will remain king of the hill for some time now. For some time. So that's what I've got to share with you today. Subscribe. Sign up to Control Finance. Sign up to BitConnect. Sign up to Coinbase. I have the link in my description. Sign up for Steemit. Steemit is incredible. Let me see. Steemit is doing awesome. So sign up for Steam It also. If you blog, you create content, sign up for Steam It. You will not regret it. And subscribe to my video, because probably tomorrow I'm gonna, maybe even tonight at 12 a.m. Even though it'll be well into August 1st in different parts of the world, it's going to be August 1st in the U.S. on the East Coast, Eastern Standard Time. So I might do a video at midnight, around midnight, slightly after midnight, just to kind of give you guys an update and a kind of a lay of the land, so tell you what's going on. But yeah, that's it for now. And guys, take care. And I hope you guys make a killing in this Segwit fort.